Christmas is all around me.
Kalimera from Greece, Kalimera from the sunny Greece for the moment. I like to thank all the people for your wishes and your videos. I like to thank the staff of Dry Liquid, thank you guys. And I like to wish you, to all of you, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Don't forget to follow your dreams and don't forget to share your love. From Dry Liquid, from the beautiful country of Greece, and from me, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, I love Christmas, I always will. My mind's made up the way that I feel. There's no beginning.
Hello everybody, my name is Thanos, I'm from Greece, I'm from Dry Liquid. First of all, I would like to say a big thanks to all the people that you have sent us the videos with your Christmas wishes. You are great, and anybody who wants to send more with New Year's wishes, it's free to do it. Second, I would like to thanks and to give a big hug and a big kiss to all the people that I've met the summer of 2012 and of course the previous summers. I wish you the best, Merry Christmas, I love you.
You know I love Christmas, I always will. My mind's made up the way that I feel.
Hi, my name is Arina and I am from Russia. This year I was happy. I met a lot of beautiful, nice and really good people. Most of them I met while I was working in Crete for Dry Liquid Entertainment. So, to all of you, I wish a good luck and that all your dreams will come true in the next year. So, do what you like, be where you want and live the moment. And I want that the most used attire on your faces in the new year will be a smile. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from frozen Russia!
It's everywhere I go. So if you really love me, come on, let it show.
Καλήνες πέραν άρχοντες κι αν είναι ο ορισμός σας Χριστό τη Θεία Γέννηση. Αχ να μπω στα αρχοντικό σας Χριστός γεννάται σήμερον εν Βιθλεέμ την πόλη. Οι ουρανοί αγαλώνται, χαίρε, χαίρε η φύσης όλη. Οι ουρανοί αγαλώνται, χαίρε η φύσης όλη. Χρόνια πολλά και καλά Χριστούγεννα. Χρόνια πολλά και καλή χρόνια το 2013. Hello, I'm Dimitris from Athens and member of Dry Liquid. I want to wish you, we want to wish you health. It's the most important thing that someone in this world can have. After health, all the rest is possible. Goodbye and Happy New Year from both of us.
You know I love Christmas, I always will. My mind's made up the way that I feel. There's no beginning.
Hello everyone, my name is Konstantinos. I'm a part of Dry Liquid. I live in Athens. I want to wish to everyone for 2013 to be healthy and to be with people that really love close to him. Have a good New Year.